Hey guys, today we're going to play Will You Press the Button. This is the online game. You can play it too. You just look up Will You Press the Button. And, well, I guess we're going to play it. So, let's go. Will you press the button? You find the meaning of life, but you are in every way unable to tell anyone ever. Yeah, I'd do it. You win $20 million and you'll live to be 150 years old, but you look like Charles Manson. I have no idea who that is. Let's look. Hey y'all, I know the screen just moved down. I'm doing something. Oh my gosh. Yep, I would. Gosh. Okay. You beloved civilization concept that promised everything good for all the time, capitalism, blah blah blah, but it failed. I don't even know. I'm not gonna bother reading it so long. You're the smartest person on the planet, but everyone thinks you're mentally handicapped and they do not believe you. Oh, let me fix this. Okay. Communicate with aliens, but get put into a mental hospital. Well, everything you've always wanted, but you will live only for 5 years. That's a hard choice. Nope. You'd be super attracted, but uh-oh. I don't know what to choose. I guess I'll do it. You fall in love with the perfect person, but you fall out of love with the rest of your... Get married to someone who shares all your interests and is a solid 6'10". Live happily with each other for the rest of your life. But you'll never... Nope. You bring bacon to a baconless world. It always feels like you are stepping on a Lego brick. Oh man. I love bacon, but I don't want to feel like I'm stepping on bricks all the time. I won't. You can join your favorite TV series, game, etc., or whatever. But you can only be a villain. Oh, okay, I would. Either way, I'd get money. Read these comments, they're so fake. This one's so fake. Look at him. 46 years ago. Bruh. You win $10,000 per babe, but you'll never be able to use. Nope, let's. Won't load. Won't load. I guess this must be a butt. I'm just gonna end the video here. I guess.